app different reports in some workspaces to multiple Power BI apps.
So the point is that you can imagine something like, again, concentrate on education, where you've got an app plan which the whole organisation can see, and then you might have reports that are only for finance departments, or maybe some for principals, and possibly some for marketing. So again, it's going to be quite complex. So what's an elegant way of mapping those individual reports across different workspaces and apps in that sense?
It is not complex. Let me show it to you here. Let's say, for example, something like this. Let's say I have a user here, a user here, a user here, right? These are all users. And I have a app here, an app here, an app here. And just, let's say, I put something here. Let's say this is app for marketing. This is the app for sales. This is the app for IT. And here you have your marketing person that will see only this one, your sales that will see this one, your IT will see that one. Let's say you also have like someone here who is part of both, like IT and sales, and that person will see IT and will see the sales, right? From the user point of view, they will see only their own part of the content. So what is the issue with handling this?
So where does the report...
So where does the report sit? So you're talking about apps, so where are the different reports?
Reports are inside apps.
So what happens if you want one report to belong to be in different apps?
I'm just saying here, okay, here you've got...
So that is actually my question. Why, if it is one report, why we put it in two different apps? Because we want to share it with two different group of people?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so in that case, what I would do is I would create I would create one app for that report. So that single report comes here, that report, and I would share it with those different people. Why I put it in different workspaces, different apps. It is a report that has its own way of sharing. Why you don't put it in its own app?
Then you might have to do that.
It's like sharing. Let's say you are sharing some shared folder. When you share shared folders, how do you share it? You share that shared folder with different group of people, right? And if you have one content that you want to be shared with totally different group, with two groups at the same time, then you put it in one shared folder, in its own specific shared folder, and you share it with those. Same thing happens here.
The thing is, you probably want to have one app, and that app has reports in it, and the reports are sort of sensitive or subject to who you are. So when you go to the app doesn't just let in security on a group, that you might have access to the app based on who you are, but then when you go into the app, the reports you see depend on who sets up the security on the reports.
Yeah, no, we're just understanding. So, you obviously might have multiple reports inside an app, but you almost want another layer of, you give access to people in an app, but there's also security. You might see different things within the app, depending on which report you want to see as well.
In the future, you may be able to do things like this. You may be able to have multiple apps on the same workspace. I'm not aware of anything on that state at the moment myself. But there are lots of things happening on the app. So
this is a very simple hierarchy. It's very flat. So you have to create more apps or workspaces and chuck the same reports into multiple things. It's not like cell-level security or something complex.
So the bottom line is...
Yeah, but we should not use apps as security type of things. Sharing is separate, security is separate, role security is totally different. You have to combine these together to get something that you want. I haven't talked about role of security at all. That is totally different subject. You can't have one report shared with multiple people. They see their own data because they have role of security implemented, and the managers see everything. Right? That is totally separate subject. Combination of these will give you a good sharing and security solution.
Okay, well let's park it and move on, and then we can discuss it later on.
Okay. Okay. So sharing mechanism that we talked about, the only free way of sharing is publish to web. All other methods you need to have paid account. The way that you can share and users don't need any Power BI account is publish to web and Power BI embedded. Different access levels you can use with sharing with Power BI embedded and with workspaces. You can have edit access with all other methods. It's just read-only. Users can share it with others in most of these scenarios. And most of these scenarios are secure way of sharing except publish to web, which is free. It's not recommended to do that for confidential data. App will give you dev and let's say user environment separation. You can share multiple items with workspace and app together. And if you are using Power BI embedded, you should be careful about needing a dev developer on it. Right. There's a section about role of security, which I skip that part because we don't have that much to go through that. And later on, if it is needed, we can set up another meeting. I'll explain about role of security. Everything that I explained to you is all available here. I've written a Power BI book. This QR code will get you to that book. You can read it for free. Download the PDF version and read it for free. All of those explanation about different methods of sharing that I told you, these are links to blog posts that I have written about those methods of sharing. I will share this slide with you later on in the meetup page so you can learn more about it. Any questions at all?
How static is this, or is this all that we're going to see in the next 12 months, or by the end of the year, or is there other functionality, or is anything changing substantially that you know of and can say, or can say?
It is definitely changing. Power BI is not static at all. Power BI is changing every month. You cannot say this feature is definitely this feature and there will be no new updates in that. It is updating every single month. Things that we are talking about, like ability to have hierarchy on the apps, ability to have multiple apps on a workspace, all of these may be available in the next few months. We don't know, and I'm not aware of those things. But there's a website, ideas.powerbi.com. You can go there, and if you have an idea like this, if you want, for example, to have a hierarchy of apps, hierarchy of workspaces, things like that, just put the idea over there. People can go and vote. Power BI team is watching that space. And if your idea gets enough votes, then they will start implementing it. And they may already start implementing some of these already in there.
Okay, any other questions? No more questions? Going once?
Okay.
Is SSAS also the state of origins on that? Oh, okay. There you go, is that the end of the conversation? Okay, well, if nobody has any questions, we'll let you go, Reza. Thank you very much.
Great. Thank you everyone for attending and have a great evening.
Thanks again. All the best.
Thank you. Bye.
It seems to me maybe SharePoint Online might be the way to go, because that will give you more control, no? I can understand that.
The problem with it was he said you've got to do the security in two places. So SharePoint is just maybe a nicer way for people to go and access the reports throughout the organisation.
Well, that's what I was thinking. I don't know, because I can understand for large organisations we have lots of reports and there's just no governance in the product.
We were an early adopter of it, and so all there was content packs. So content packs came out first. then apps were introduced. The apps, the content packs could do all of that. So you could have one workspace and you could say, I want 3 of these reports to go to sales, and then another one of those reports, you can say, no, that's only for the managing director of sales. You know, he's the only one that could see it. So you could be very selective, and you could make those content packs available to other workspaces or specific people. So I think eventually we raised it with Microsoft, and I think Microsoft are in the process of having multiple apps for workspaces. That's why I asked the question. I'm just seeing how long it's going to take them before they actually put it in.
Well, that's what I was also asking, were you aware of anything on the horizon?
Yeah.
Are we still recording?
Yeah, I can stop.
No, I'm just asking, that's all I was interested. No, that's fine. And because I can imagine you invest 6 months into a particular model, and then they change it all or deprecate it, and then it's...
Yeah, and there was one point where the content packs, we couldn't publish them anymore, and that was because Microsoft did something, and we weren't the only ones in the world who were using content packs, and they had to go and fix it. It took them a couple of weeks, but they had to fix that security issue. But during that process, we closely looked at apps, and that was one of the reasons why we couldn't go to use apps yet. We would have made it, I mean, Reza's saying, oh, it's complex using content packs, but you can see setting up multiple workspaces just to control security over an individual report, that's complex too. So,
A lot of duplication of effort.
yeah. So what we were thinking about doing was, having maybe the multiple workspaces, but then controlling the deployment of the reports in one, that was our responsibility as developers. And then if we deployed into a certain workspace, we would have to keep a manual track of those exceptions to publish those separately.
And that's also why I was asking, for me it's almost like, is there a product like Sitecore comes along and gives you a better hierarchy and governance and versioning, like what we've seen with Alteryx and Tableau integration and so forth. So a much better story in that sense, from what I can tell. This is really Mickey Mouse basic stuff.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be enterprise software, and we're paying enterprise fees for it.
Particularly like version control, if someone updates a workspace and suddenly because it's a link, it basically updates everything in production.
No, I know that MVPs and other people are asking for this sort of stuff, and they're like, it's again for them, I think, as always, a resourcing issue. And they rush to build features and then think about governance last, and now we can't do stuff, or everybody has to rework a lot of stuff, or it should have been thought about from the very, very start. So you can imagine somebody deploys a report and it doesn't work, it's refreshed, how do you go back?
What we used to do...
Check those PBX files into GitHub or something?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we use change control, we use what we call
It just means that you have to republish it.
But the other thing that we used to do as well, because if you've got users who can, let's modify reports, and then, IT maybe publishes those reports, make them available. We just, so there's no PBIX, and the users don't want to know about version control and PBIX, but what we used to do also is, you can copy the report, so you can save the original copy of it, make the changes, and if you do want to go back to it, you can always, you've got a reference point to go back. That was the only way that we could do it.
So how many people are using, so everybody is obviously using Power BI, how many people are using Power BI embedded? Okay, what other people are using? So what, Power BI with, what was it, SharePoint?
Power BI service.
Power BI service. What was the other option? What about Premium?
And the free to web.
Are you using it? Are you using it well?
The share to web was the other one.
As I said, some of this stuff like that whole renders per hour doesn't make, peak renders per hour doesn't make any sense to me. How can you have a peak across an hour? That means like, so if you were to capacity plan that, how would that
first of all, what's a render? Secondly, 300 per hour. So what happens if I have reached a peak of 300 in the first minute of that hour? What happens for the rest of the hour? It's like, what, are you throttling me there, or is that the capacity limit for the product? So.
It's disappointing that they didn't make it more elastic. Where you're not using it, you're generally not paying. And then as soon as someone starts using it,
No, I agree with you 100%.
Start paying them.
From a deployment, governance, implementation point of view, there's a lot that they haven't thought about. Because really, and again, I suppose you need to appreciate, all you're really doing is just throwing around these PIVX files. So, that's difficult, but I just don't think they've thought about some of these things in their rush to smash Tableau and have a better GUI experience, like Handy, and not thought about, as I said, the deployment, governance, and all of those sorts of things. So, anyway, thank you again. For those of you that don't know, we go usually for a bit of a drink afterwards.